Okay, so today we're going to talk about subtracting whole numbers and their applications. With subtraction, you have to be really careful because order matters. 5 minus 1 is not the same answer as 1 minus 5. So if you'll notice with this chart right here that all of these are written in the order that you read them up to this point right here. Notice when it says 5 minus 1 right there, it's written as an expression as 5 minus 1. The difference of 9 and 4, notice that 9 is written first. 7 decreased by 3, the 7 is written first. But with these two right here down at the bottom, those two phrases require that you change the order, that it's written in the opposite of the way that you read it. So it says 5 less than 8. The expression is actually written as 8 minus 5. 1 subtracted from 6, the expression is actually written as 6 minus 1. Okay, so let's take a look at this. The difference of 13 and 8. Notice it's not one of those that we have to turn around, so we would just write this as 13 minus 8. And what is 13 minus 8? Because it says to simplify right there. 13 minus 8 is 5. Part B says subtract 24 from 43. This one is one of those that you have to reverse the order. So you would write this as 43 minus 24. And what is 43 minus 24? It is 19. With this problem right here, the temperature in Chicago one morning was 73 degrees Fahrenheit. A cold front arrived, and by noon the temperature was 27 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the difference between the temperature in the morning and the temperature at noon? So notice we use the word difference here. Difference means subtract. So you would do 73 minus 27. I prefer to write these sometimes vertically. If I'm doing this by hand and I'm not using a calculator, then it's easier to write your problems vertically. So I can't take 7 away from 3, so I've got to borrow 1. 13 minus 7 is 6. Then I would do 6 minus 2 is 4. Don't just write the number 46. What does 46 mean in this problem? It says, what was the difference between the temperature in the morning and the temperature at noon? So 46 degrees is the difference in your temperature. So at least do something to note what 46 means. And by putting that little bitty 0 up there in the index, that means that I'm indicating degrees here. All right, this problem's a lot like the last one. It says the high temperature on June 1st in Boston was 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and the low temperature was 58 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the difference? Notice the word difference again, between the high and the low temperatures. So I've got 77 minus 58. This is how you show your work. So write that down. Even if you're using a calculator, you write down the operation that you're doing on your paper, even if you grab the calculator. So on this problem, I can't take 8 away from 7, so I've got to borrow 1 right there. 17 minus 8 is 9. 6 minus 5 is 1. So in this problem, my answer is 19 degrees, and if you want to say F for Fahrenheit, that's fine too. Okay, on this problem, it says a washing machine is on sale for $399. Its regular price is $588. What is the difference between the regular price and the sale price? We're seeing the word difference here, and it says between the regular price and the sale price. So we're going to do regular price first, 588. We're going to subtract off the sale price to find the difference between the two. Can't take 9 away from 8, so I've got to borrow 1. This becomes 7. 18 minus 9 is 9. Can't take 9 away from 7, so I've got to borrow 1 here. 17 minus 9 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 189, what does 189 mean in this situation? We can put a dollar sign. It means $189 difference between the sale price and the regular price. And this problem is also done about the same. Television set is on sale for $499. Its regular price is $648. What is the difference between the regular price? Again, difference between the regular price and the sale price. So I would do regular price first, and I would subtract off the sale price. So I've got to borrow 1 right here. 18 minus 9 is 9. Can't take 9 away from 3, so I've got to borrow again. 13 minus 9 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the difference between the regular price and the sale price is $149.